In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike templates. If you're looking to streamline repetitive processes in your organization, creating templates in Wrike can be a game changer. While Wrike doesn't offer pre-made templates, it does allow you to easily create your own, making it a powerful tool for boosting productivity and ensuring consistency across projects. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, go ahead and open up your preferred internet browser. In the search bar, type in Wrike to navigate to the Wrike website. Once there, you'll see options to either log in, or if you're new to Wrike, to try it for free. Choose the response that suits your situation. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. After entering your workspace, direct your attention to the sidebar. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll notice a small caret icon, which is basically a downward-pointing arrow. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you will find an option labeled Blueprints. Alternatively, you can access this by selecting the Space Settings icon located next to your space overview and then clicking on Blueprints. This is where you'll begin creating your template. Once you're in the Blueprints section, you'll notice a list of various blueprints you already have access to. These blueprints essentially form the backbone of your templates. Browse through this list and locate the blueprint you wish to turn into a reusable template. Once you've found the right one, click on it to open it up. Next, you're going to duplicate this blueprint. You'll see a Duplicate option, likely at the top or in a key section of the blueprint interface. By duplicating it, you make a copy that you can then modify to suit the specific needs of your organization. Click Duplicate to start the process. Now that you've initiated the duplication, it's time to customize your new template. Update its name to something that clearly reflects its purpose or the specific process it covers. You also need to decide where to save this new template within your Wrike workspace. Think about what information needs to be copied along with it, perhaps tasks, assignments, and deadlines. Make your selections carefully, since this will impact how effectively your team can use the template in the future. After you have updated all necessary settings and selections, click Duplicate again to finalize your custom template. This completes the process and makes the template available for you and your collaborators. Your team will now be able to duplicate this template whenever necessary, ensuring a smooth and consistent workflow for all similar projects in the future. And that's it! You've successfully created a Wrike template that should help streamline projects and improve efficiency within your organization. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your newly enhanced workflow process.